What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm exploring with Braden, and today we are going to be exploring a new abandoned part of my town. And today, well, right now, my intro where I'm filming this in a big warehouse, and this has never been explored before. And I was just in here walking around. They've got TVs. They have, there it is, light bulbs. Don't know what this is, but the main switches. And there's another part of this that I want to see. So, yeah, I want to check out that part. But look at all of that. This whole roof is caving in. There's a door right over here. I wonder what's in here. The other side of the room. It's the other side of the room. They've got a fire extinguisher. So what I want to check out is, wait for it, got a silo right there. What we're gonna do is we're going to run. And this is literally right over. So this is facing that right over there. I was filming my intro right there, so they probably seen me. Let's go try and get to that part. Just going to walk. I wanted to try and get into that part of the building, but there is literally no way. Wonder where this leads to. But no clue. But what I do know is that these houses will call the cops if we are not careful. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually going to try and make my way around there and see what happens. So apparently, I did not hit the record button, but we're over here. That scared me. So what we're gonna do, we are going to make a way to this little spot. I have to get on all fours and crawl with my backpack. This is not slick. Oh my days. Slowly making it over there. Okay, so I made it into this opening over here. I'll go to get into that silo. I should be good to put the mask down for now. But once I get back into the open, I'm gonna put my mask up because I don't want them to see me at all. I am almost towards freedom. Freedom at last. Okay, so I'm gonna scope out the area, see where we can go through. Okay, I made it to over here. And I'm just hiding out. Hopefully nobody can see me. We're going to shoot over here. Okay. Right over there is where all the people are. I'm trying to get to that silo to conquer. If there's anybody, we have to hold. Almost made it. Not quite there yet. My hair is low-key getting in my face. But it's whatever. Please do not try this, okay? I don't even think there's any markers over here. But do not try this. I am getting a microphone. Oh shit. That could literally be somebody right in there. Let's go check. It sounded close. It sounded too close. check out this over here. See if anybody's in there. Nope. Let's go check this out. Kind of insane. But you have to keep it down. Because obviously you're not gonna get close. See, guys, this is insane. This is the stuff. Thanks, Final Braden. Oh shit. Okay, we gotta get down now. Let's go. Check this out. Let's go. I'm feeling this whole thing move. This whole thing is just shaking when I walk. It is so hot underneath this mask. It's not even funny. Oh my god. So we shoot it. Okay. Boom, right here. That was pretty neat, guys. What do you think? Is that cool? That was pretty cool. It was neat. Oh my god. I want to see what's over there. I also don't want to have to book it through all of these people. All of these people could see me. But I do not want to have to run through all of that. It would not be fun if I got caught with. Trust me, it would not be fun. Let's go take the thumbnail. Now it's time to shoot from over there. Oh shit, I think I hear somebody. Oh yeah. I'm fucked. Alright then, it was, okay. False alarm, just a big car, but, oh my god. This has never been explored on YouTube before. I think I literally hear somebody coming. Let's stay along all of these rocks over here. Because we need to book it. We need a clear shot there. We made it close to there. Uh-oh. That is not good. No bueno. No bueno. So, no way to get up there. Oh my god, I see somebody. Oh my god. I literally see somebody. And this is not good. Not good, not good, not good. Let's go try and see if we can get to the other part of that bluer building. I was literally trying trying to get to that factory. But I seen one yellow car and a truck. They might be personnel. I have no clue. I'm gonna see if there's a way. I can see them coming from over here. It does not look like it. What if they come over there? Oh my god. Go. Made it. I don't know if that was on me the whole time, but if it was, I'm sorry. Oh my god. There's literally a car right over there. There's a car right over there. So once we book it, we'd have to stay low. Let's get the mask on. Let's try and book it. This is literally the most craziest thing I've ever done, guys. If I get caught, it's game over. They will have the police, and I will most likely be in handcuffs. Okay, go. I heard somebody. Let's go. I heard somebody coming. Somebody coming, guys. That was so close. So close. I have never been that close. Let's go check out that blue building. It's going to go away. Crouching. So I'm gonna run. I'm not gonna lie, with how much crouching I've been doing, it's hurting my legs. There's a white car over there now. There's a white truck over there. They might be waiting for me, but I might have to book it. Let's go. Go. I heard somebody say he's running. I don't know if you guys did, but if you did, let me know in the comments section down below what you heard or what you didn't hear. Oh my god. Made it back to point A. That was a lot of running. Too much running, to be exact. Fuck. I don't really run like this. But this is the shit that I will do for you guys. Oh my god. Can't really breathe with the mask on. That looks abandoned over there. We can go explore that sometime. Let's go. Put the mask back on. Almost got caught. made it back to starting point actually. Oh my god. That was insane. That was intense. Lots and lots of running. But there is another abandoned building. I know where that is. Maybe sometime this summer, we'll go check it out. Let me know in the comments if I should. Should I book it? Lucky I'm gonna book it. Oh, I heard somebody, guys. I heard somebody. Let's go see what's over there. I mean, if we just act natural, you won't ever suspect a thing, right? We're so close to a point. I was trying to get to that one over there. That's most likely impossible. They have burglar alarm systems. Let's go. Let's just act natural. That's pretty sweet. It's locked. God dang it. It's a pretty sweet building. It smells horrendous in there because got a whiff of it. Does not smell the best. Look at this. This is literally all on the ground. That is crazy. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you guys get this a big fat like. Let's just try and get 2 or 3 likes in this video. And let me in the comment section down below if I should try getting into that other one I got into for like 5 seconds before. Let me know down below, or let me know if I should do a different abandoned exploration video. But in the meantime, you guys have a beautiful day. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment down below if one of the options, and I'll see you guys next time. See ya.